It's been about 6 months since I've driven the TC because of the shifter spring and lock ball pin disintegrating, as well as whatever caused that to happen inside the transmission. She's finally going into the shop, but before that happens, let's take a quick look at my hood dampers. These are actually holding up great after 2 years without any issues, but a lot of owners don't like ordering from AliExpress. Tsubasa had a listing on Amazon that was using the picture of my car from AliExpress, so I asked them if they could send this carbon fiber set to me so I can do a test comparison and then add them as an alternate Amazon listing. It's a little bit thicker because of the carbon fiber on top, but it looks to be the same size. It also includes this short extension that you can screw onto the bottom of the piston rod, like I've done so here. The fender bracket appears to be exactly the same like the original one I had. I used to have it installed with the ball towards the front, but later replaced it with this modified universal one so I could have 2 mounting holes. I don't know why I didn't use stainless steel hardware at the time, but I'll do a separate video about those brackets. The hood bracket, oops, wrong side. This is the driver's side. This actually looks to be exactly the same as well. We have 2 sets of mounting hardware for the fender brackets. And I can already tell that you need to replace these because they're too large, just like the ones from AliExpress. I did notice some surface rust on my existing ball studs, but it hasn't affected the movement, and I can easily replace it with the new one. For now, let's get the dampers out by removing the retaining wire clips from both ends. If you want to see a full video on how to install this damper kit, I'll put a link in the video description below, as this video is just limited to doing a test comparison. Good to know a single 2-year-old damper can still keep the hood up. I have the new driver's side damper installed. I've left the original ball stud in place for now, but I'll swap it out with the new one later since it looks like they coated it to prevent corrosion. If it doesn't, it's easy enough to replace with a stainless steel one. So far so good. The new damper can also support the hood with only one installed. Now to swap in the other one. Overall, these appear to be exactly like the ones from AliExpress. I'm really digging the carbon fiber look too. And now for the test. The closure feels about the same. And as for opening, I feel like the AliExpress ones catch an inch or two sooner before I feel the dampers lift the hood up the rest of the way on their own. But otherwise, the rest of the lift feels about the same. It might just be a variation in production, but I don't think it'll be a problem. I'll post an update if that changes. You can check the video description below for a link to order your own pair. If you haven't hit subscribe to my channel yet, please do so now, and as always, thank you for watching.